Welcome to MVC Concept Chemistry. Dear students, today we will discuss number of sigma bonds and pi bonds present in the given organic compound. Students, you know already single bond means one sigma bond. Double bond means one sigma bond and one pi bond. Triple bond means one sigma and two pi bonds. Two pi bonds. Based on this data, we can find number of sigma bonds and pi bonds present in the given compounds. We will discuss more examples on this concept, students. Please note down. Students, suppose if they given molecule like this, carbon, hydrogen, like this they given, students. Now that's easy. Here any double bonds are there, students? Not there, no? All single bonds are there. All single bond means sigma bonds. Now count, students, how many CC bonds are there? How many CH bonds are there? Here sigma CH bond is equal to 6 are there, students. Sigma CC bonds is equal to 1 is there, students. Total, students, total 7 sigma bonds are there. Total 7 sigma bonds are there. Next, here any pi bonds are there? No double bond, no? So 0 pi bonds. 0 pi bonds. Next, if they given molecule like this, like this they given, students. Now here one double bond is there, students. Double bond means one sigma and one pi bond. Now calculate how many CH sigma bonds are there. How many CH sigma bonds are there, students? 4 are there. C sigma bond, students. Here CC sigma bond 1 sigma and pi no 1. Total, students, 5 sigma bonds are there. Now here, students, one pi bond is there. Please note down, students. Now here, students, how many sigma bonds are there? Count. In this given molecule, sigma CH sigma bond, students, 2 are there. Next, sigma CC bonds, 1 is there, students. Total 3 sigma bonds will be there. Total 3 sigma bonds. Students, triple bond means 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. So now here 2 pi bonds are there. Same thing here also, students. Sigma CH sigma bonds, 1 is there, students. Sigma CN, triple bond means 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. No? Sigma CN single bond is equal to 1 is there, students. Total, how many sigma bonds, students? 2 sigma bonds are there. Total 2 sigma bonds. Triple bond means 2 pi bonds. Next, a compound, students, benzene ring, students. Students, here carbon 1, 2, 3 bonds are there. 4th bond is the hydrogen. Now, students, here CC every corner 1 hydrogen will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds around carbon. So like that you count, students. Between carbon, how many sigma bonds are there? Between carbon and hydrogen, how many sigma bonds are there? If you calculate sigma CH bonds, 6 corners are there, students. 6. Next, sigma CH bonds, 6 are there. Sigma CC bonds also. Sigma CC bonds, also 6 are there. Total 12 sigma bonds are there, students. Total 12 sigma bonds are there, students. Next, here 3 double bonds are there. Double bond means 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. So now here 3 double bond gives 3 pi bond, students. 3 pi bonds. Please note down, students. Now calculating this molecule, students. Here, how many CC sigma bonds are there, students? Sigma CH bonds. Here 3 hydrogens, here 3 hydrogens. Total 6 are there, students. Same way, here sigma CC bonds. Sigma CC bonds 1, 2, 3. 3 are there, students. Total 9 sigma bonds are there, students. Total 9 sigma bonds are there, students. Next, pi bonds, 2 pi bonds are there. Next, here students, ఈ corner terminal position, carbon valency 4, no? Here 2 bonds are there, means the remaining 2 bonds with hydrogen, students. Same like that, this side also will be there. Like, ఈ corner already 1, 2, 3 bonds are there, 4th bond will be with hydrogen. Same like that side also, students. Now, total, how many CH sigma bonds are there, students? How many CH sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, how many CC sigma bonds are there, students? 1, 2, 3. So now 3. Total 9 sigma bonds are there, students. Total 9 sigma bonds are there. Double bonds 2 are there, means 2 pi bonds. Next, here students, terminal, here carbon further bonded with 1, the remaining 3 with hydrogens. Same like that above molecule you can imagine, students. Now here, how many CH sigma bonds are there? How many CH sigma bonds are there? Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 sigma bonds are there. Next, CC sigma bonds between carbon sigma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Total, students, total 15 sigma bonds are there. Total 15 sigma bonds are there. Okay. Next, pi bonds. Here 2 double bonds are there, means 2 pi bonds. Please note down, students. Now, solve this compound, students. Bond line structure already explained, students. This compound we can write like this. In this compound I am explaining, students, how to write condensed structure. The terminal position CH3, students. Here CH3. Again same like that, down CH3. Next, here also same CH3. Here CH3. Here also CH3 is there. Total count, students, how many CH sigma bonds are there and CC sigma bonds are there? Here, students, CH sigma bonds 3 are there, students. 1 carbon 3 like this. Here every carbon having 3 3, no? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 sigma bonds are there, students. Next, CC sigma bonds. Here between carbon how many sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there, students. Total, students, 25 sigma bonds are there. In the given compound, total 25 sigma bonds are there. Here any double bond is there, students? Not there, na? So 0 pi bonds. Next, here, students, ఈ బాండ్ లైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ వి డిస్కస్, స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ కార్నర్ సెకండరీ కార్బన్ means 2 hydrogens are there, students. Here already carbon further bonded with 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3 bonds are there. 4th bond with the hydrogen means 1 hydrogen, 1 CH bond will be there. Here also 1 CH bond will be there. So now count, students. Every corner 2 CH bonds. Here 1 CH bond is there. Like count, students. Sigma CH bonds is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 CH sigma bonds are there, students. Next, CC single bonds is equal to, students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So now total, students, 23 sigma bonds are there. Total 23 sigma bonds are there. Here all are the single bonds holding, students. So 0 pi bonds. 0 pi bonds. Please note down, students. Next, solve this compound, students. Students, you know terminal carbon CH3, here CH2, here also CH3. You know that. So now like that, calculate, students. CH sigma bonds, here 3 to 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 are there, students. Next, here CO single bonds are there between here carbon, oxygen. CO single bonds, here one is there, here one is there. 2 are there, students. Next, sigma CC single bond, here in between, students. 1 is there, students. Total 11 sigma bonds are there, students. Total 11 sigma bonds are there. Next, here, students. Here, students, sigma CN sigma bonds, triple bond means 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds, no, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, students. Next, sigma CC bonds, here between carbon, carbon, students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. 5 are there. Next, is equal to, students, that much only, 9 sigma bonds are there, students. Next, pi bonds, sigma bonds, 9 pi bonds, students. 9 sigma bonds, 9 pi bonds are there, students. 9 sigma bonds and 9 pi bonds. 9 sigma bonds and 9 pi bonds. Please note down, students. Here, students, no pi bonds, no, 0 pi bonds. 0 pi bonds. Already I mentioned here, students. Please note down, students. Now here this compound solve, students. Students, in these compounds between carbon and oxygen also sigma bonds are there, students. Now here you count, students. In this compound, first as it is CH sigma bonds, here 2 and 2, 4 are there, students. Next, here CC sigma bonds, CC sigma bonds 3 are there, students. And CO sigma bond 1 is there, students. Total 8 sigma bonds are there, students. Double bond means 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. So here 1 pi bond is there, students. Now same thing here, students. Sigma CH sigma bonds, here 3 and here 3, 6 are there. Next, CO sigma bonds between 2 are there, students. Next, CC sigma bonds 1, 2, 3 are there, students. Total 9 plus 2, 11. Total 11 sigma bonds are there, students. Pi bonds, here 2 oxygens are there, 2 pi bonds are there, students. Same way here also, students. Here CH sigma bonds, here 3 are there, students. Next, CO single bonds 2 are there, students. Next, CC single bond 1 is there, students. There, students, OH single bond 1 is there, students. Total 7 sigma bonds are there, students. Okay. Next, double bond. 1 pi bond is there, students. 1 pi bond is there. Please note down, students. Dear students, as I told in my first video, after completion of every concept, 5 to 10 DPP problems I will give, daily practiced questions. So now these 5 questions I am giving for you, daily practiced problems today. We completed number of sigma bonds and pi bonds calculation in the given organic compound. So now these 5 problems, please calculate number of sigma bonds and pi bonds and answers mention in the comment box. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Next video I will clarify the doubts.